Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So project number 27 is Sprite Catcher on our website. And when you create it, you'll make a project that looks like this. So you press the green flag, and then you can make it a spooky or not spooky. And then you have some sprites that appear. And when you click on them, it says that they're caught. If you miss the click, it says that you missed. Okay, so your goal is to capture the sprites on this particular project, but I want to show you another neat idea related to this. All right, so the project we're going to look at is called Abduction by ACO, and apologies if I mispronounce your username. So let's take a look at how this project works. So just like in the project that I showed you with Sprite Catcher, there is a start button, only one of them instead of two. When you click on it, we've got this alien that is going to capture these sprites, and you have to click to save them from getting abducted by the alien. So this is a different variation on the Sprite Catcher idea, and if one of the sprites gets up to the top, then you actually lose the game. So I thought that was a really cool idea for basically doing a variation on Sprite Catcher. If you've done something really cool with a Sprite Catcher kind of game, comment below your link to your project so that way we can check out your neat idea. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have fun creating something in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.